In Top Machine is a national high-tech enterprise integrating technology research and development, product design, pre-sales, and after-sales service. Independently developed more than 10 patents, company partners are all over the country and abroad. Products are exported to Europe, Southeast Asia, Africa, and other regions. Design solutions for customers in many countries. Create products that meet customer needs. Main products include food-grade stainless steel tanks with various functions, fully automatic CIP cleaning system, ultra-high temperature instant sterilizer, plate sterilizer, fully automatic UHT split tube sterilizer, various types of reverse osmosis water treatment equipment, and jelly production line, lactic acid beverage production line, juice production line, yogurt production line, wolfberry puree production line, American ginseng oral liquid production line, beverage production line, Potin Petit production line, Roxburgh fermentation production line, and other complete production line turnkey projects. InTop continuously introduces cutting-edge global technology, insists on technology as the guide, research and development as the basis, and service as the purpose. InTop Machine is confident to achieve the goal of leading the industry. Make InTop products more in line with customer needs.